So here we lock this side. Now we will take the another color, and we'll start from this side to avoid this roughness, a little roughness, but we don't want to see this in whole of our sweater. So we will use our next round from this side or this side. So let's start. Here is another color that we are going to use in this sweater, and this is a very pretty color, and this color combination will going to be very nice. So let's start. We are taking this front side, as this is the front side and this is the back side. I'm taking this front side and this corner side, and we'll take the yarn like this, as you can see. Now we have to lock this yarn with this procedure, as you can see. First of all, we will make 3 chains and double crochet in next chain, but with this yarn as well to lock it, to avoid any mishap. Look at this, double crochet in next chain, but taking this yarn with our procedure. We can't left it like we have to take this with us till the last point. We are just making double crochet in every chain, but by taking this skin yarn, extra yarn with us. Look at this, this is simply double crochet. So finally we get rid of that extra yarn, and we will be a little faster than before. So we have to make double crochets in every chain till the end point. So here is the procedure. We have to start from here, and we will make all the double crochet in all the next chains till this point, end point. Then I'll show you what to do next. So I reached the end point of the skin color, as you can see. At last we will simply make a double crochet in the last chain, and we'll make a slip stitch to end up the round. As you can see, this is very simple and easy procedure. Now we are going to make at least 9 to 10 rounds of the skin color with the same procedure. We will simply make 3 chains and double crochet in all the next chain, and we have to complete at least 9 to 10 rounds of this same procedure with this same yarn. As you can see, this is very simple procedure. So I will show you the final look after 9 to 10 rounds of skin color. Then I'll show you what to do next. We will simply make 3 chains and double crochet in all the next chain, and we have to complete at least 9 to 10 rounds of this same procedure with this same yarn. As you can see, this is very simple procedure. So I will show you the final look after 9 to 10 rounds of skin color. Then I'll show you what to do next. So here is the final look of this sweater after 8 rounds of skin color. I made 8 rounds I have completed, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to use the brown color here at the bottom, and at least I have to make 10 rounds of brown, and this is very pretty. As you can see, this is very nice. And let's start of using brown color. So here I'm going to use this brown color. taking this brown color, and now 3 chains, pull the yarn, now double crochet in the next chain by taking this extra yarn as well, double crochet in all the next chains, and we are locking up this extra yarn, the skin and the brown both. As you can see, this is very simple and easy procedure to join the 2 sides or 2 colors. Sorry. Now we will cut this extra skin yarn here. Now simply we have to make double crochet in all the next chains and we'll complete our round. So here I have completed this round, brown color. With brown color, as you can see, this is looking very nice and elegant, and now I am going to complete some more rounds of brown, at least 9 to 10 rounds of brown here, then I'll show you the final result. So here I have completed these 8 rounds of this brown color. Now I'm going to make the border of this same color at the end of this sweater. As you can see, this is the end of the sweater.